This cookie is about changing the angle of your only camera by editing. No more walking over to the camera and changing the angle and then going back to start again from where you left off. Okay, we're going to demonstrate how to do a camera and angle with one camera only. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do it with this clip here, and that's me sitting there talking in my biosphere. So to start, we duplicate or copy that clip right there, and then we go up here, we right click and paste, and there is a copy of this clip right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do 10-second intervals. Okay, this is set at 0 right now because our cursor is right in the beginning. So we're going to divide this into 10-second clips, make a few 10-second clips out of this. And we move this over to 10, right over here. Right there is where the measure is. Now it's at 10 seconds. Okay, we're going to click on this one and split. And there's a 10-second clip right there. Now we're going to move to 20 seconds and cut off another one. It takes a little while, folks. Sorry about this. Okay, here we go. I'll click on that and split again. And that's 2 of them. We've got 2 10-second clips. Now we're going to move to 30 seconds. That's another 10 seconds. Okay. And again, it takes a couple of minutes here. Or seconds, actually. There. That's 30 seconds right here. And now we click on that and split again. That's 3 of them. We've got 3 10-second clips. We're going to go to 40 seconds now. And there we go. That's set on 40 seconds. That's set at 40 seconds now. Click on that and split again. We got the 4th clip. And basically that's it. We can do, okay, let's do another one, 50 seconds. So 40 to 50 is another 10 seconds. Okay, and we click on that and we go and split again. That's it, that's enough. So what we have now, and this one here we can just delete. We don't need that anymore. Delete. Right click on that and delete, and it's gone. Okay, here we go. And this is a demonstrating clip too, so we can actually delete that, but we'll just leave that there for now. So there we go. Now let's go back to the beginning with the cursor, and this is the original clip here. This is what that shows. Let's say we had one camera and we wanted to, let's say, move the camera forward after 10 seconds, and you know, just to get let's say a zoom up until his head almost touches the top. Okay, so there we go. We got that clip there. We can take that clip away, delete that. Okay, so now we're showing this clip, you know, the original clip that we're working with, because we deleted this 10-second right here. Now, when this moves, you know, blah, 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 I'm talking, and this moves and moves over to, and then it hits here. Then what we want to do, we'll click this one. What we want to do is zoom up. Let's say we want to zoom to 140 as an example. 140% from 100%. Okay? So we have the scale here. There's 140%. So this clip is now, looks like this, zoomed in, instead of like this. So this one here, whenever this is on top of the main clip, it's going to show this clip instead. And we cut it up, so this little piece here is what's showing now, and we've changed it to look like this, 140%, with his head almost touching. Now, 10 seconds from now, we're going to say, let's take this clip out of here, delete it, and then it's going to go and drop into the gully and show this clip again. And that looks like that. So it goes from the zoom back down to the original clip down here. Okay, so there you go. That's all she wrote. That's how you do it. There you go, folks. There's my cookie for a camera angle for you. You don't have to get out of your chair, or you don't have to walk over to the camera, and just do it by a little edit. Later on, I'm going to give you more cookies, one at a time, and they're going to be different edits, little edits that you can do to change your video, and you can use that in camera angle. And you know, people think you went and moved your camera, or you got two cameras like I Love Lucy. In those days, they had 3 cameras on the sitcom set. So I hope you can make use of it. Experiment with different things as I give you cookies, and you'll come up with better ideas than I have. And let me know in the comments how you did, or what you did. Okay. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next week with another videos, maybe a cookie video. I don't know yet. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.